In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your QR code not scanning on WhatsApp web. This can be frustrating, but don't worry, I've got you covered with some simple solutions that could make a huge difference. Let's dive right in. First, let's refresh the WhatsApp web page. Sometimes all it takes is a simple refresh to resolve any temporary glitches that might be interfering with the scanning process. Click on the refresh button in your browser or press Ctrl and R on your keyboard. This gives the page a fresh start and might just be the quick fix you need. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause scanning issues as well. Make sure you are connected to a stable network. You might want to reset your router to stabilize the connection, or switch to a different network if possible, to ensure that the internet isn't the culprit. Another tip is to increase your screen brightness. A dim screen could make it hard for your phone's camera to detect the QR code. Crank up the brightness on your computer monitor to give the QR code a better chance of being picked up by your phone's camera efficiently. Let's also make sure your phone's camera lens is clean. A smudged or dirty lens can prevent the camera from capturing the QR code clearly. Take a soft microfiber cloth and gently wipe your phone's camera lens to remove any dust or fingerprints. Sometimes, the zoom setting on your browser can cause issues as well. Make sure to set your browser zoom to 100%. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and 0 on Windows or Command and 0 on a Mac. This ensures that the QR code is displayed at its optimal size for scanning. Updating WhatsApp is an essential step as well. An outdated version might have bugs that affect functionality. So, head to your App Store, check for updates, and install the latest version of WhatsApp to fix any known issues related to QR code scanning. Trying a different browser could also be a solution. The problem might be browser specific. If you're having trouble with one, switch to another. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge are all solid choices. This way, you can see if the issue lies within your current browser. If the issue persists, consider restarting your devices. This includes both your computer and your smartphone. A simple restart can clear out temporary software glitches and might help resolve any underlying problems that are preventing successful QR code scanning. Finally, clear your browser cache. This removes any stored files that could be causing conflicts in loading the QR code correctly. To do this, navigate to your browser settings, look for the option to clear browsing data,